Hi guys, how are you doing? Crypto Marco here, and in this video we're gonna talk about the exciting pump of Bitcoin Cash because Bitmain announced in a 438 page long PDF that they are conducting an IPO right now, and that of course caused Bitcoin Cash to pump because Bitmain and Bitcoin Cash are closely tied together. And a few more news that we're going to talk about. And of course, if you enjoy the content, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and comment down below, because among everybody who's commenting, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin looked a bit pumpy. In the past, we went from 6,541 to 6,787. Now we're down again. So really glad that I went long here and then sold somewhere at the top. That's something you don't get every day. So I can really tap myself on the back and hope that you did something similar. And as you can see, this looks kind of similar. No, not really. Bitcoin Cash also pumped. So what happened? This document leaked on August 13th. Some details about the first initial public offering of Bitmain has been leaked, and then I highly recommend the blog of BitMEX because they really deconstructed the whole thing and did a little analysis on that. And now we have the official document. So as you can see, 438 pages. It's the initial public offering of Bitmain. And it's pretty exciting news because it's one of the first crypto companies to ever conduct an IPO, not an ICO, but an IPO. As you know, Bitmain did some crazy numbers in 2017 as well as in 2018. So as you can see, this is the net profit. 2015 looked very slim, doubled in 2016, and then look at that growth in 2017. And just in Q1, they almost did the same amount of profit like they did in the whole year 2017, which is completely insane. But right now in Q2, due to high volatility and a low Bitcoin price, Bitmain's profits don't look that good. So to sum everything up, because of course nobody wants to read a 400 pages long PDF. Conclusion: Bitmain lost 0.5 billion on production costs associated with mining chips that failed or other inventory write-downs. So they have like this 7 nanometers chip that is supposed to become freakishly strong and of course increase their I mean, not monopoly, but their strong position in hash rate, because they don't have a monopoly on hash rate, although they do have kind of a monopoly on the ASICs market because they cover like 75%. The company was dependent on 78.4 on new investments to retain a positive cash position. Interesting. And Bitmain incurred a net loss of almost $400 million in the most recent quarter due to having too much inventory and needing a lower sale prices. So that's what's going on right now. If you were curious why Bitcoin Cash pumped, then this is the reason behind it. And I'm really curious to see how the IPO of Bitmain will go down. Of course, before every IPO, the company that is executing the IPO is doing something called a roadshow. So that's also probably the reason why this document leaked in August. So they had to prepare it, and now we have everything officially written black on white. So the next topic is going to be Swiss startup SIBA raised funds to build crypto bank, and they are of course in Zurich, in Zug, and this is the only thing I could find about the company. Apparently they don't have a website, which is kind of weird, but man, this is their official Handelsregister. I really don't know how you call that in English. However, it is an officially licensed company within Switzerland in Zug, which is Crypto Valley. As you know, like over 100 crypto companies are located in Zug, which is insane. And they have they collected 100 million Swiss francs in funds to open up their crypto bank for all kinds of financial transactions and stability and basically they of course want to bring crypto to the masses, and that's pretty much all I can say. Only interesting thing in my opinion is that they did this whole thing without an ICO, so not bad. Next up, I got this email and I was pretty surprised myself. Kraken finalist Cardano on their exchange, and I was expecting Cardano to pump heavy, but nothing really happened to Cardano. Like, of course, Cardano did a little move, like they went up, like, no, Cardano didn't do anything, so that's pretty surprising to me. But just so you know, Cardano is available today, as of today, on Kraken. The last news of today, I hope you can read Chinese. Baidu, one of the biggest companies in China and probably the biggest search engine in China, has released in their own white paper for their own blockchain, which of course doesn't sound that interesting. But to think of the fact that such a damn big company like Baidu would make a move like that is pretty insane in my opinion. You could compare it to Facebook or Google or Amazon doing something like that. Of course, Baidu maybe does not compare to the size of them, but just shows how much potential companies, international companies, still see in crypto and in blockchain. So that's some really good news in my opinion. So good news as well is whoever wins this giveaway. I've seen 20 comments on the video. However, this doesn't look like 20 comments, but let's see who's gonna win. The winner is Optimus Prime. Hopefully this good news will have a positive impact on the market and contribute to the growth of cryptocurrencies. Let me see where Optimus Prime is. For some reason, I can't find sometimes the winners in the comments down below. Doesn't matter, Optimus Prime. Thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. And here is your $2 in the form of Litecoin. So next protein bar or burger or Coke, whatever you buy, is on me. In any case, guys, keep in mind that this video is my personal opinion and not financial advice. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and take great care. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment with your Litecoin address if you also want to win some Litecoin just like Optimus Prime did. And have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.